Hey guys, welcome back to the another study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18.1 beta 4, you may face a problem that your update stuck on preparing update. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all guys, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you're connected Wi-Fi, you may click here on Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi name. Here is the option of forget this network, so you may click here and connect it again. Or if you're connected on mobile data, you may click on mobile services and you will make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. After this guys, you may scroll it down and click here on general, and then guys, you may update your software again and you may check your problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then guys, you may scroll it down again, and here is the option of date and time, so you may click here and click on set automatically, turn this on. After this, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of VPN, so you may click here, and if there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then you may click here on transfer and reset iPhone, click here, click on reset and click on reset network settings. After this, you may go back again and you may just restart your device and you may update it again and you may check your problem will be fixed. So by all these methods, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.